And in Washington, former President Donald Trump due to go on trial March 4th over his efforts to overturn the 2020 election. That's barely 6 months away. That is one day before a key moment in the 2024 election where Trump is leading the Republican field. CBS 13's Scott McFarland was there when the judge set that trial date.
The federal case against Donald Trump for allegedly trying to overturn the 2020 election and his current campaign are now poised to collide head-on in March. Over the protest of defense lawyers, Judge Tanya Chutkin set jury selection to begin on the first Monday in March, just one day before Super Tuesday.
He's running for office, but she said at the same time that doesn't mean that everything gets pushed back until after the election.
A Trump defense lawyer argued so loudly they needed until 2026 to review the millions of pages of evidence, the judge twice asked him to take the temperature down. But prosecutors argued by waiting, Trump could taint the jury pool with his ongoing vitriolic public statements.
I have a guy, they call him deranged Jack Smith. He's deranged.
How are you feeling today, Mr. Meadows?
Meanwhile, in Atlanta, a surprise in court when Trump's former chief of staff, Mark Meadows, took the witness stand for more than 3 hours as he seeks to move his Fulton County racketeering case to federal court. Under questioning, Meadows denied ordering a memo on how to block the certification of the 2020 vote and said he sat in on meetings Trump had with state officials to help track Trump's schedule and time, including this call to Georgia's Secretary of State.
I just want to find 11,780 votes, which is one more than we have.
Meadows testified he was serving as a federal official, while prosecutors argued his actions were not necessary and proper duties.
His co-defendants are watching today's proceedings like hawks. What happens to Meadows could have a very significant impact on whether their cases move ahead in state or federal court.
Well, as that state court or case proceeds, Trump and his co-defendants are scheduled to appear for arraignment in Fulton County, Georgia. That'll be next Wednesday. In the meantime, the judge has ordered October and December deadlines for pretrial motions with 4 criminal trials set for 2024.